Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the P sound. Can you make the P sound? Follow these steps. First, press your lips tightly together, like this. Next, push your lips back, open quickly, and let out a quick puff of air. Try it with me. Are you ready? P. P. Nice job. Now let's practice a few words with the P sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Pencil. Happy. Rope. The P sound can be spelled with the letter P as in pencil, PP as in happy, or PE as in rope. Great job. Well done. Ellii.